Hello, and welcome back to Track Loader Parts Tech Tips. Safety is an important part of any business, and as equipment operators and owners, you must safely transport your machine to and from the job site. So today, we're going to talk about securing your machine safely and legally. Now, the DOT requires that you use at least 4 tie downs for equipment transportation. That means that one chain across the front and one chain across the back does not count as 4. That's only 2. So you're going to need 4 chains and 4 binders, one at each corner of the machine. Per DOT regulations, the sum of the working load limit of all your tie downs must be at least 50% of the weight of your machine. Well, what does that mean? Well, first, you're going to have to inspect your tie down hardware. Now, if you're using chains and binders right now, you'll need to inspect your chain for a stamp. The stamp marking will tell you what grade the chain is. Then you'll also need to measure it. That'll give you the diameter of the chain. Using the chart, you can see what the current working load limit is of your chain. Also, your binder should be stamped with the working load limit or its capacity right on the handle. If you're using ratchet straps, it should be printed on the strap or on the tag attached to it. So take all of your tie downs and the load limit, add them all together, and that will need to be 50% of the total weight of your machine. If you have an attachment on the front of the machine, you're going to need to add the weight of that attachment to your calculation. So, if your machine is 9,000 pounds, you are going to need 4 tie downs that at least have a working load limit of 1,125 pounds each. Now, if your equipment is over 10,000 pounds, you have a special requirement that you have to meet. Per DOT regulations, any tie down on your machine must be able to handle at least 5,000 pounds. So that's a 5,000 pound working load limit. This means for you guys that are using 5/16 chain, you're not in compliance. You're going to have to go up to a 3/8 grade 80 chain. And all of your binders are going to have to be rated at 5,000 pounds or more. The chain and binders can become a mess to work with. They're heavy, dirty, and difficult to use. At Track Loader Parts, we have a different solution of synthetic webbing tie downs that are easy, clean, legal, and a safe way to transport your equipment. Now, you guys carrying up to 10,000 pounds will use 4 of our double-webbed 2-inch ratcheting tie downs. Each strap has a working load limit of 3,300 pounds and a webbing break strength of 20,000 pounds. It has a flat hook on the ratcheting end to attach to your trailer bar and a wire hook on the adjustable end that you can use to fix to your machine. Each strap also comes with a protective cover that you can cover the strap at any point it may rub against your machine. This strapping gives you more than double of what DOT regulations require. Now, you guys that are over 10,000 pounds will need to use our 3-inch ratchet strap to secure your machine. This ratchet strap will meet the DOT regulations of 5,000 pound working load limit per device. Now, this strap has the same features as our 2-inch strap, easy to use and just the right length for securing your machine. With our 3-inch strapping, you can haul up to 40,000 pounds if your rig can handle it. Let's see how easy the DuraForce ratchet strap system is.